So I am in need of a glow up. Quarantine's got me looking a little rough, I will say. And sometimes it's just fun to change your appearance a little bit, try something new. So I have been tired of these highlights for a little while now. My roots are all grown out and I just don't like the color anymore, so that is gonna change. My nails, they're getting kind of crusty and I honestly just miss having my acrylics, so we're gonna do that. And then while I am gonna be doing makeup in this video, I'd also like to feel good without it, so I'm gonna be doing some skincare and then a lash lift. I'm doing the lash lift myself and I've never done one before. I have never even seen a video of someone doing one, so that's gonna be interesting. Overall, I just needed a change, so I'm super excited. I hope everything turns out good, and let's just get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is nails. I called the nail place that I usually go to see if I needed to like make an appointment or something, and we are all good. I can just walk in, I don't need an appointment. I just took the polish off my nails. I think I already said this, but I'm gonna get acrylics. I haven't had them in so long and I feel like they just make you feel powerful. I don't know what it is exactly, but they just do. I don't think I'm gonna do any like crazy designs or anything like that. I'm probably just gonna do like a solid color. So yeah, I'm gonna leave right now. Next time you see me, these nails are gonna be way cuter. Alright guys, so I just got my nails done. I also got Starbucks while I was at it. So you guys know how I called earlier and asked if I needed to make an appointment, and they said no, I could just walk in. And people were coming in with like appointments already, and he basically was just like telling me I didn't need to make one, even though I wanted to. I don't know. Long story short, I had to wait about an hour to get my nails done. I left my house at like 3:20. It is now 5 o'clock. 4:59 to be exact. But my nails are all done and I think they look really cute. Oh my gosh, you cannot even see me. This is kind of a mess so far. Sorry about that, guys. It's also extremely hot. I have my air conditioner all the way down because I don't want you guys to like be able to hear it in the background. You probably still can. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're just baby blue. I think they're really cute. So yeah, step one of the glow up is complete. Okay guys, so we are now on step 2, which is hair. I originally wanted to do my hair last because I knew it would kind of be like the biggest difference and it would kind of pull everything together, but things got changed. I feel like I never really explained that to you guys. So I got really lucky with the way that this video is working out. I originally had my hair appointment scheduled for later this week, but it had to be moved forward because today all of the salons in California are closing. Basically just a ton of places are closing in California, you know, because of the virus and everything. So I got super lucky that I even get to do my hair at all. I honestly thought that I was gonna have to do like a box dye or something. So I'm gonna go right now to get my hair done. I need to change because I'm still in like this big t-shirt that I wore to sleep. Also, excuse my messy room. My bed isn't made because there's really no reason. I just didn't make my bed this morning. I still haven't even told you guys like what I'm getting. I don't think I'm going to, honestly. I'm just gonna let you guys be like surprised, even though it's literally not gonna be a big difference at all. I don't think. I don't know. We'll see. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I can't even like picture myself, like what I'm gonna look like after it's done. I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna get changed and then go get my hair done. Okay guys, so it is a few days later now. Here is what my hair looks like. It's just all brown pretty much. It's not quite my natural color. My natural hair is like a little bit darker than this, but not much. My hair was a bit of a fail at first. I'm gonna try to make a long story short, but basically down here I had highlights. Up here you guys saw how my roots were very grown out. So she kind of had to do like 2 different things on my hair. She didn't really have to like lift any color from the bottom because it was already bleached from the highlights. But like I said, my roots were still my natural dark color, so she did have to like lift this color up here and make it lighter. But when she did that, it turned red and it did not look very good. It looked really weird because like half of my hair, like the bottom half was like this color and then the top half was like red. But I texted my hair lady and kind of just told her what was going on, and she told me to come back and that she would like darken it or like tone it or whatever. So that's what I did, and here we are now. I actually really like the way that it turned out. I just wanted it to be like natural and not a huge change or anything, but I just wanted to get rid of my highlights. They were getting a little too like yellow and like orange for me. But anyways, moving on from hair, I think I'm gonna do a face mask right now, and then I need to do my eyebrows like really badly. Oh my god, can you guys see that? I'm embarrassed. That's really bad. I've been like waiting for this video to do my eyebrows, but then I keep like procrastinating filming, so they just keep getting worse and worse. So I need to get these done today. They're really bad. I'll probably do the lash lift today too. So I think I'm gonna end up getting everything done today, and then I can do my makeup and hair and put on a cute outfit and then show you guys the result. Okay, let's get started on skincare. Okay, so this is the face mask that I'm using. It's by The Ordinary. It's just that peeling one that everyone uses from like TikTok and stuff. I've only used it once. I liked it. I feel like once isn't enough to like tell a difference. So I'm gonna use it again today and see what I think. It's already dripping. I just like rub it in like that. Do I need more? Or... Okay, I look a little bit crazy now, but the face mask is on and now we wait 10 minutes. Okay guys, my skin feels pretty good. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't know if you guys would be interested in how I do my eyebrows. Basically, first I tweeze all of the ones that are like right here, and then I go in with one of these like little eyebrow razor things. They're these things. I'm sure you could get them on Amazon for like $5. I'll find a link and put it in the description. But basically, I just like go like this completely around my eyebrows so there's no like peach fuzz or just like little hairs, and like it kind of gives it more shape. And then what I do, I take a little tiny pair of scissors and then one of these like spoolies, whatever they're called, and I basically just brush my eyebrows completely up. Like I don't try to shape them at all, just up. You can't really tell right now because like obviously I already did them, but then I would just go and like trim them like that, and then you're done. Just gives them a nice shape. The left one was a little harder because it's kind of losing its shape a little bit more, but it's all right. I still got them done. I think I'm gonna do the lash lift in a little bit, but first I should probably watch some videos on how to do a lash lift and then I'll try to attempt it. Okay, so I'm about to do the lash lift. I just watched some videos on it and it honestly seems really easy. This is the kit I'm using. I will link it down below. I just got it off of Amazon. It was less than 30 bucks, not super expensive. I would wait until after I do the lash lift though to like go purchase it, just in case I don't recommend it. I think I will because all the videos I watched seem fine, but just in case, we'll see. This is what the inside looks like. So first it says to use the cleanser to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. I just have some Q-tips here that I'm going to be using to do it. I'm going to be really careful too and try not to get anything in my eyes. So now I need to choose the size of the lift pads. I guess it just depends on how long your lashes are. It comes with a bunch of them. I think I'll use the medium ones. I don't really know. Okay, so you put the glue all over the lift pads and wait until the glue is tacky. Okay, so next I have to put glue like right here and then use this tool to like glue my eyelashes down, I guess. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the perm solution and then you're supposed to wait for 8 to 12 minutes. Okay, so I basically just decided to do most of it off camera. It's a lot of just very repetitive steps. You have to leave these on for like 12 minutes each, and there's a lot of waiting involved, so it was a lot of just like sitting around. Like I would literally just apply something and then wait for like 12 minutes. So I promise it wasn't interesting, but I just finished both eyes. Here is what they look like all done. I really like how they turned out. So I definitely do recommend this lash lift kit. I think the only thing that I used that wasn't included in the kit was Q-tips, and I'm sure a lot of you guys probably already have those at home, so I will leave the link in the description. So that is pretty much everything that I'm going to be changing in this video. Now it is time to do my hair and makeup and put on a cute outfit and show you guys the final result. Hi guys, so before I show you guys the finished look, I wanted to take a second to talk to you guys about today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. So if you guys don't know what Skillshare is, it's basically an online learning platform that has just a ton of classes on so many things. For example, they have classes on productivity, they have film and video classes, photography, fashion, lifestyle. They even have classes on beauty if you're trying to have a little glow up as well. I've actually taken a lot of their classes. I like the ones about starting a YouTube channel. I think those ones are so interesting and also very helpful. You guys leave me really sweet comments all the time saying that I actually inspired you to start a YouTube channel, which I think is amazing. So these classes could really help you guys out. One of my favorites is called YouTube Success, Build an Authentic Channel That's Worth the Follow. And even if you aren't looking to start a YouTube channel, they have such a huge variety of classes. Anyone could find something that they like on Skillshare, and everyone can definitely learn something too. This is also just such a great, safe way to learn new things. I mean, all these classes are obviously online, so you can take them all from the safety of your own home. And since Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, they are always adding new premium classes, and there's no ads, and it's very affordable too. It's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. But I do have a deal for you guys. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a free 2-month trial of premium membership. I think you guys are gonna love Skillshare, so you should definitely go check it out. And I think that's about it. So now it is time to show you guys the finished look.
find my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spit that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard.
Alright guys, so that is about it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I just wanted to make a quick little disclaimer, just so you guys know, everywhere that I went, which was just the nail salon and the hair salon, was completely safe. Everyone was wearing masks. At the nail salon, there were like sheets set up in between the nail tech and then like the person getting their nails done. Everyone was following all the rules and being as safe as possible. So yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys liked today's video. I know it wasn't a crazy drastic change or anything, but I definitely feel a lot better. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you made it up until this point, comment the strawberry emoji. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye guys.